back. It's such a beautiful autumn day here in South Florida. The wind is blowing, my wind chimes are going, and I'm just loving the breeze. It feels like fall, y'all, like for real. And I'm just going to enjoy every moment. So in today's video, I am going to attempt to make a candle by using one of my thrifted glass jars. And this is my second time, so hopefully it'll go better than the first time. And I also did a little thrifting, so I will share a few clips of me shopping at my favorite thrift store. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I would appreciate it if you give this video some love. And as always, comment down below. I always find some odd items at this particular thrift shop. Do y'all remember this creepy rope snake? I will link the video above if y'all missed it so y'all can get a closer look at it. But someone purchased it, y'all. Can you believe that? Up a couple of items from my favorite thrift store. The first is this beautiful little dish. I paid $4 for it. I love that floral detail around the border, and I just thought it'd be cute just to sit on top of my dresser. I also purchased this book for $5. I love the hardcover part of it, and it is a pottery book, the Book of Rookwood Pottery, so that's interesting. Although I love to decorate with books, I try to be cautious with certain books that I bring into my home. So I don't want it to be anything that's kind of out there. So I'm glad to know that this was a pottery book, and I thought it'd be perfect to add in my living room area. So those are the only two items that I thrifted. Now let's attempt to make a candle, y'all. I did purchase this candle making kit off of Amazon. I will link it below if y'all are interested. I love that it had everything that I need, especially I'm a beginner. So fingers crossed, let's see how it turned out. But overall, it was such a fun and relaxing activity to do, especially during this cozy season. So here's an update. Wasn't successful with my candle making. As y'all can see, my wick is buried inside of the wax. So I'm planning on just to loosen the wax up again over the stove and just try it again. I'm gonna pour it in a shallow jar instead of this deep mason jar. So I think that'll work. This is a metal container that I thrifted before. I was trying to see if I could use this for my candle, but the wick is too short. So negative with that. And I also thought about using this vintage glass hand dish that I purchased from a live auction from Nicole's Nesson Havens live auction a long time ago, y'all. And I use this to store my sea salt in whenever I'm cooking, but it's kind of hazardous because it's made out of glass and I almost broke it. So maybe I could use it for my candle dish. Yeah, I think that'll be perfect. Few hours later, now it's time to light my candle, and y'all, I just enjoyed the overall process of candle making. I am going to keep making many attempts until I perfect this skill, but y'all, I am so loving my glass vintage hand as a candle, and it's just so cute and perfect for this cozy season. Thanks y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed and hopefully was inspired just to do the simplest things to enjoy the autumn season. There will be more thrifting videos and more cozy content coming y'all way, and make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if y'all enjoyed. All right, y'all, take care, and I will talk with y'all in the next video.